Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to install Google Chrome web browser on this laptop. First of all, you're gonna have to open your default web browser and of course make sure that you have internet on your PC. Usually the default browser is Edge. Once you open Edge, open any search engine, then search for Google Chrome and find the official google.com website, google.com/chrome. Open it, and then on the following page click download Chrome and wait until the setup file is downloaded, then open it, click yes, and at this point you can close your web browser. Then just wait until the Chrome is downloaded and installed on your computer. And once it's installed, it will automatically open. Now you can choose whether to sign in by clicking this icon or not to sign in by clicking this one. You can always sign in later, so don't worry, you can continue without signing in. And if you want to set this browser as your default one, click right here, otherwise click skip. And now if you want to turn on Edge privacy feature, click turn it on, otherwise click no thanks, and then just click got it, and now you are free to use your brand new Google Chrome web browser. So thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.